CIFFI is the most unique international film festival in the global arena. It was initiated by an educational institution, that is Delhi Metropolitan Education and the Media School of DME, but soon Deakin University, Melbourne, Australia joined hands. So for the last 3 years, it has been a joint venture of DME and Deakin. And this year, another university, that is Nottingham University, China campus, has also joined hands. So now this turns out to be a film festival which is organized by 3 educational institutions of 3 continents. And there is an involvement of media teachers, researchers, film experts, filmmakers, media students, all across, and we have such kind of sessions wherein the teachers and the students of all 3 institutions are involved. Tigmanshu Dhulia is the festival ambassador of CIFFI, and this year the festival face of CIFFI 2022 is renowned film actor Vinay Pathak. So I call upon everybody to join hands, enjoy the film screening from all over the world.